हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्लम्बर। हमारे बीच है हमारे एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट जिनका नाम हम जरूर जानना चाहेंगे। सो व्हाट इज योर गुड नेम, व्हाट इज योर कंपनीज नेम एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
My name is Suman Chandra Shekhr. My company name is Alampata. I am from Bangalore.
आप अपनी तरफ से हमें ये बताना चाहेंगे कि इस इवेंट का हिस्सा बनकर, इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I think it's very thrilling. First time I am being to Delhi, and then it's a very prestigious hotel, Oberoi, and then I'm part of Plumber. I'm very happy to hear.
प्लम्बर एज अ ब्रांड दूसरे ब्रांड से कैसे डिफरेंट है, कैसे अलग है?
I think I feel personally we are selling other competitive brands in my showroom, but I feel the quality of glaze and the finish of the cartridge, I feel it's too better than other Indian products.
And how has your journey with plumber been like?
I think few months we started journey with the plumber. I think the staffs are very coordinative, and then we are getting material on time. If there is any project, people are working very good pricing, and then staffs are very supportive. We are happy with the plumber.
From your end, would you like to give a message to the management team or the plumber heads?
Plumber, we are with you. Let's make a big success.
Thank you so much, sir.